So now to create a numbered list. Now to create a numbered list. As we saw in the previous video, all of the text labeled with red in here will be turned into numbered lists, and it already has the style applied. It's called level 1 numbers, and if I right click on there and choose edit, get the same dialog box. Now I'm going to move it just to the side over here and go back down to bullets and numbering, and from list type in here, choose this time numbers. And there you go. If you quite simply want to just add numbered lists to your document, that is how you do it. And the appearance, I have to say, is pretty good as well. Unlike the large spaces that we get with tab stops in bullet points, this is pretty good. Under the styling in here, well, you can change the format from the default of 1, 2, 3, 4 to any one of the others in the list. Now, in terms of numbering, the way that is compiled, we have the caret symbol and then a hashtag symbol. That indicates the current level number, as we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. After that, we have the decimal point, and then we have a space. Now that space on this occasion is characterized by the caret and the greater than symbol. Now if I head across to the button on the far right hand side, that is being controlled by what is referred to as an N space. Quite literally, it is the equivalent of a capital N in the font that you're using. The one just above it is what's called an M space, and as you might guess, that is the equivalent of a capital M in the font that you're using. So in this case, it works really well. Again, if you wanted to, you could change the character style of this, but I'm fairly happy with it. We can just go down to the bottom and we can click OK. The way that numbered lists work is that they will follow on from one another from one page to the next. So in theory, if we were to add more pages to this and apply our numbering, it will continue. So the next one will be 5 and so on and so forth. But that's how you can create numbered lists inside of InDesign. And then from here, we can save this document. So I'll go to File and then choose Save. It will ask us then to save it, of course, not as an IDML, but as an InDesign 2022 document in my case. And I'll click on Save. And then I'll close the document down.